Here's the best $800 gaming PC build for 2025. At the heart is the AMD Ryzen 5 7600 processor, paired with the brand new AMD Radeon RX 9060 XT graphics card. For the motherboard, AB650M with Wi-Fi support keeps you future-proof. Add 16 GB of DDR5 RAM at 6000 MHz, plus a 1TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD for super-fast load times. Power comes from a Corsair 650 Watt 80 Plus bronze PSU. All inside are budget-friendly. Airflow case like the Montec Air 100 or Deepcool Matrix. With this setup, you'll see over 90 frames in Cyberpunk 2077, more than 180 in Fortnite, and smooth 70 plus in Starfield at 1440p. For under $800, this build delivers one of the best price-to-performance ratios in 2025.